You go home. I am telling you to go home. अरे I am telling you to go home. एका घरावाचून दिनाले सिक्युरिटी करून बाहेर मारतो ना तुका. You just understand one thing. You're dealing with me. I am telling you. First, learn to shut up when I'm talking to you. You can be anything. You want to file a case, go and file a case. But I am telling you, you're suspended from right now.
खत्म करो, खत्म करो.
वीआईपी कल्चर खत्म करो.
खत्म करो, खत्म करो.
वीआईपी कल्चर खत्म करो.
We want
Justice.
We want
Justice.
आवाज दो. आवाज दो.
So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happened. So in front of the people.
Demanded that we should put an FIR against the person who took a video in casualty.
Some people use muscle, some people use guns, some people use political power. He has used his political power to wreak personal vengeance. No, only the minister at present we have filed against. When if he is arrested, he will divulge other names.
According to me, he needs to resign. And according to me, the entire BJP government needs to.
हे खूप वाईट झाले आणि ते पळोवन गोयचे समाज हाल्लो.
तो आरोग्य मंत्री खंय तरी बसला आपल्या घरार पांय वर करून आणि ती एरोगन्स लेवल देवना. Now I want to ask ते तीन दोतोर कोण, because in that interview you said पळय तीन दोतोर आपल्या मुखार बसल्या म्हणून. Now who has given this doctor the authority to go to health minister's house at 12:30 in the night? हा कसले कमिशनाक खावपाक गेल्ले.
दादागिरी आणि हुकुमशाही जो 70रीन करता ती 70रीची दादागिरी हांगावी अशें जीएमसीनूय तेच चल्लेलें आसा.
What will be the amount of services that will be halted, whether we will go for a shutdown immediately kaina, all this will be first taking into account only one person, and that is you.
जय म्हजो अपमान केलो थंय येवन भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हांनी लोकां मुखार माफी मागची. आमी मंत्र्याक 24 वरांची मुजत दितात. उपरांत फुडली कृती थारायतले. डॉक्टर रुद्रेश कुट्टीकारान सांगला. गोंय वैजकी महाविद्यालयात दोतोर, खात्याचे मुखेली, सल्लागार, विद्यार्थी आणि इंटर्न हांचो व्हड निषेध चालूच आसा.
Our demand is that because of that incidents is that we require a public apology in the casualty itself. The Honorable Minister will come and apologize in the casualty. That is our demand.
So deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately.
What if he does not apologize?
So because we are supported by the CARD, the GMC Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty, Doctors Association, as well as the doctors all over the India. So if it is not been accepted, then we will strike. Can you narrate? Within 24 hours, he has to apologize. Okay.
ते दुसरे डॉक्टर सांगता की ना ताणें त्याच सुवातेर येवपाक जाय आनी तेच व्हिडिओ तेणी रिकॉर्डिंग करून जशे पडी हो व्हिडिओ व्हायरल केला तसो तोय व्हिडिओ व्हायरल जावपाक जाय. चूक मागल्या ती आनी जाल्यारूच आमी हे प्रोटेस्ट जो आहा जो फाटी घेतले. नाजाल्यार हेजे फुडें जे कितें डिसिजन आहा ते आफ्टर 24 hours ते डिसायड करतले की इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ शटडावन जीएमसी ओ पार्शली ओ कितें ते हेजे वयर ते निर्णय घेतले.
जाहीर माफी मागची ही गार्डाची मागणी भलायकी मंत्री राणे हांका धाडल्या. व्हिडिओग्राफी करप्या आड पुलीस कागाळ दाखल केल्या. जीएमसी डीन शिवानंद बांदेकारान माहिती दिली.
They want a public apology from the Honorable Minister, and they said that this apology should happen in the premises of Goa Medical College, especially in the casualty where the incidents occurred, and to which I have conveyed the same to the office of the ministry, and I am awaiting the reply. Total ban on videography, including the press and media in the patient care areas. I strongly believe that patient care area is a privacy area, and I fully agree with the guard that we should not have any videography or any photography in the patient care area. We have already put our placards, our notices, but in spite of that, sometimes some people come and they do videography, but now it will be strictly monitored through the security officers, and the police will deploy police also at casualty area. They also demanded that we should put an FIR against the person who took a video in casualty on that said day. So that also it is we are calling the police inspector from Agasim, and we are putting an FIR on him also.
7 जून 2025 दिसा जीएमसीत वैजकी व्यावसायिका आड हिंसाचार केल्ल्यान भलायकी मंत्र्या आड ॲडव्होकेट्स योलावाज हांणी पणजी पुलीस स्टेशनात गुन्यांवकारी कागाळ दाखल केला.
We have come to the Panjim police station to file a complaint against Vishwajit Rane. Complaint is a criminal complaint, and while it is our opinion that IPC and BNS do not get attracted, but there is an act which is to be invoked at such a time. All the time we see that there are many doctors, nurses and other medical professionals who are assaulted and abused and insulted by VIPs. So there is an act which has been specifically brought into the foray, and incidentally by the same government in 2013, and we are now seeking to invoke that act, Section 3 and Section 4. This is an act which prohibits violence against doctors. In our particular case, doctor has been insulted verbally, has been insulted with bad words, and that also in public, humiliated. His professionality has come into question, and there were at least 20 to 30 people in that room.
What happened was a deeply hurtful event to the whole community of doctors across the state and beyond.
We deeply condemn this act, and in order that the residents of our Goa are facing the repercussions including verbal assaults, abuses and threats by relatives and attendants of the patients, saying that they will refer our videos, they will videograph us, and then they will forward it to higher authorities. We have requested Dean sir to immediately pass an order which ends the VIP culture in this Goa, which deeply condemns the act, and any assaulter henceforth, whoever comes forward and abuses or threatens any doctor, will be put on no treatment list.
We have put forth our demands, they have put forth their requests. Okay, so we are sticking clearly to these things and nothing more than that.
मजगती विरोधी पक्ष फुडाऱ्यांनी खर तिडक उक्तायली आणि सरकाराक धारेर धरले. पळयात.
डिमांड करता तो म्हणजे जो विश्वजीत राणे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर आसा हेका सॅक करचो, हेका मिनिस्ट्री पोर्टफोलियांतल्यान भायर काडचो. बीजेपी सरकार जमत म्हणटा ते गोंयकारां वांगडा आसा आनी गोंयकारांक घेवनूच फुडें वयता. आमी स्वयंपूर्ण करता. तुमी कसले स्वयंपूर्ण करता? तुमचे पयलू सद्याक जी प्रायमरी हेल्थ सेंटर आसा, रुरल हेल्थ सेंटर आसा, तुमची डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल्स आसा, ही स्वयंपूर्ण करपाची गरज आसा. तेकातलो लोड हांगा पडटा. आयज डॉक्टरांचेर इतलो प्रेशर आसा की आमी एवरी टायम येता. म्हाका दिसता कितलेशे प्रेस भावांनी म्हाका सांगलेले की हांगा इतलो लोड पडटा, कॅज्युलिटीन हें मेळना, तें जायना, अशें जायना म्हणून. कित्याक लागून जाता? कित्याक हो जो मिनिस्टर आसा हो फेल जाल्लो आसा. हांगा कितलेशे शॉर्टेज ऑफ स्टाफ आसा, हांगा कितलीशी मेडिसीन शॉर्टेज मेळटा, हांगा कितलीशी मेडिसीन तुमी पळयता आसतले हांगा पर्चेज करची पडटा, कितली म्हारग पडटा. पेशंट आमकां सांगता आमकां म्हारग पडटा, हांगा गव्हर्मेंट हितून गव्हर्मेंट रेटी प्रमाणे मेडिसीन्स मेळना. सो इतली जी स्कॅमां जी हांगा चल्लेली आसा जीएमसी, हो मिनिस्टराक सॅक केल्यारूच हें सिद्ध जातलें. नाल्यार हो बीजेपी सरकार हो हेका खंय ना सपोर्ट करता अशें दिसतलें.
कित्याक ज्या ह्युमॅनिटीन दोतोर जे आमकां आमी म्हणटात देवा भशेन दोतोर, जे गोंयकारांक जे ह्युमॅनिटीक पळय मरणांतल्यान वाचयतात, रोगांतल्यान वाचयतात, आज तांकां आपलो स्टेथोस्कोप गळ्यान घालून रस्त्यार देंवचें पडलें. 2 दीस जाले आमी पळयलें की IMA आसूं किंवा ऑल इंडिया फेडरेशन ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मेडिकल असोसिएशन आसूं, बाकीचे हेर इतर एसोसिएशनांनी डेडलायन दिल्ली की हाचेर सक्त कारवाई जावपाक जाय. पूण काल आमी राती 12:30 वरांचेर पळयलें की तो आरोग्य मंत्री खंय तरी बसला आपल्या घरार पांय वर करून आनी ती एरोगन्स लेवल देंवना.
समाज मन आनी समाजाची जी प्रतिक्रिया आसा ती म्हाका दिसता हितूंतल्यान दिसता आनी सगळ्यांनी तांकां तेंको दिवचो आनी तांकां हेल्प करचें आनी तांचो हो मुवमेंट सक्सेसफूल जावचो जो सगळ्या तुमच्या आमच्या फायद्याक आसा.
According to me, he needs to resign, and according to me, the entire BJP government needs to resign, because this is the way not only he behaves, the chief minister also behaves in the same way, and it's an extremely arrogant BJP government in Goa. Having said that, what happened and what is going on currently, the medical students are asking for Vishwajit to come and apologize, and what is most important to him is to hold his ministry and how to become chief minister. These are the things that are important to him.
गोवा 365 खातीर डायलन रॉड्रिगीस, विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आनी मुझैफ शेख.